Welcome to another lesson in our Transformational Leadership series. In this session, we'll focus on what it takes to build and sustain high-performance teams. As a transformational leader, your role isn't just to manage people. It's about inspire them, align them, and elevate them to achieve more together. Let's begin by understanding high-performing teams. So, what makes a team truly high-performing? It's more than talent. It's more than hard work. High-performing teams share a few powerful characteristics: clarity, trust, communication, and shared purpose. Everyone knows the goal. Everyone knows their role. And everyone feels responsible for the team's success. Transformational leaders cultivate this environment by setting a compelling vision. When people understand why their work matters, they give more of themselves. They're motivated not by pressure, but by purpose. Trust is another cornerstone. Without trust, even the most skilled teams struggle. Trust grows when leaders are transparent, fair, and consistent. When they keep promises, share credit, and own mistakes. As a transformational leader, your behavior sets the tone for trust. If you model openness and integrity, your team will follow your lead. Now let's talk about enhancing team cohesion and collaboration. Once the foundation is built, the next step is enhancing cohesion and collaboration. A cohesive team is a group that thinks together, learns together, and grows together. To build that unity, create regular opportunities for collaboration. Encourage brainstorming sessions where every voice is heard. Rotate leadership roles in meetings so everyone gets a chance to contribute. When people feel their input matters, engagement rises, and so does innovation. Another powerful tool is shared problem solving. When a challenge arises, avoid assigning blame. Instead, ask, how can we solve this together? That single question shifts the mindset from me versus you to us versus the problem. Celebrate both team wins and team learning. Even setbacks can strengthen collaboration if you reflect on them together. Remember, transformational leaders focus on connection, because connected teams outperform disconnected ones every time. Now, let's talk about balancing individual needs with team objectives. Balance is the art of aligning individual growth with team goals. Every person on your team has unique strengths, motivations, and challenges. Your job as a transformational leader is to understand those differences and use them as assets. Have one-on-one conversations to discover what drives each person. Ask questions like, what kind of work energizes you most? When individuals feel that their personal goals are supported, they naturally become more committed to the team's objectives. At the same time, hold everyone accountable to the collective mission. Transformational leaders constantly balance empathy with expectation. This balance is what turns good teams into great ones. Lastly, let's talk about creating the culture for high performance. High performance isn't a one-time achievement. It's a culture. It's built through daily actions, consistent communication, and shared values. Encourage collaboration across roles and departments. Most importantly, keep inspiring. Remind your team of their purpose, their potential, and their power to make a difference. To conclude, building a high-performance team as a transformational leader means leading with vision, trust, and empathy. It means seeing people not just for what they do, but for who they can become. So lead with purpose and inspire your team to go beyond what they thought possible. That's the power of transformational leadership in action. In the next lesson, we will talk about leading organizational change as a transformational leader. Stay connected with us. Thank you.